Hey guys, it's Risa. Welcome to my kitchen. I hope you're doing great. Today I am going to teach you the easiest, oh my god, simple recipe to make pepperoni chips. I know. Before I start, I just want to remind you to ring the bell option so that you get all my new videos by email. Of course, I love when you comment and you like and you share my channel with anybody and hopefully everybody who's on a health journey, because you know, sharing is caring. I always say that. All my recipes are written under each video. I have my website, www.risaweiner.com, and for more inspiration from over 26,000 people on my Facebook group, WW Tips and Recipes by Risa. All right. Okay, guys. I don't know about you, but I'm a snacker. I love things that are fast, easy, guilt-free, and of course, high protein. And I love chips. I also love pepperoni, and I used to always buy salami, but it's quite high in fat. So I found this turkey pepperoni by Butterball. Okay, there are other brands that you can find in your local grocery store, but what I love about this is it has only 1 gram of saturated fat for 10 slices. And if you're on WW, and it doesn't matter what journey you're on or what plan you're on, it doesn't matter. But if you're on WW, it's 1 smart point for 10 of these babies, all right? And I usually make about 10 or 20 or 30, and it's great for a snack. And once you make them, you can keep them in a container or in a baggie. You can eat them like that. You can have them on your salad, okay, on your pizzas. They are, you know my favorite word, versatile. Okay, so basically, I mean, and they're just a great snack to eat just like that. So that's another tip. You can just have them to eat plain. But for a chip, here are my chips right here. I basically just took for my toaster oven some parchment paper. And I'm telling you, super easy, ridiculous recipe, right? Just line as many as you want up. Preheat your oven to about 350. If you want them really quick, you can put it up to 400. So just put as many as you want on a baking sheet. If you're making a lot, put it in your big oven. If you're just making for yourself as a snack, put them in your toaster oven, okay? I just have my little oven. You put it on convection for about, I'd say about 10, 12 minutes. Check after about 10 minutes and see if they're crispy. So mine are right here. I just made 10 of them. I'm going to take a bite. You can hear how crispy they are. And sometimes I like to just add a little heat with sweet mustard, like whatever mustard you can dip it in. I have this horseradish mustard, a little bit of barbecue sauce, and a low carb, high protein, easy, fast, delicious, guilt-free snack. So I told you it's ridiculous and easy. You know, enjoy them while you're watching TV. If you have guests over, you can make a whole bowl full and enjoy them with some barbecue sauce even. Again, you can use it in other recipes as well. If I don't use a lot of it, I like to put it in a baggie and put it in my freezer because they'll last a lot longer, all right? So if you just buy a package like this and you don't plan on using it all, then stick them in your freezer, all right? So I told you it's ridiculously easy. Oh, I set my oven because I'm going to be making another recipe. I'm going to be making 3 cheese egg bites. So stay tuned for that recipe. You know me, I'm always busy in my kitchen. So easy peasy turkey, pepperoni, delicious chips that you can enjoy any time of day as a snack. All right? So take care. Tell me what you think. Love you guys. Bye for now.